taps a rhythm on the window pane. Soft cafe speakers whisper Marvin through the rain. Steam rises slowly from a half-drunk cup. Then I saw you and the whole room lit up. Cream-colored sweater, fingers turning pages slow. A little strand of hair you brushed behind your glow. Lost inside a story, unaware of me. But somehow you became my favorite scenery. Outside, the city melts in silver light inside. You make this rainy afternoon feel bright. Like rain between pages, soft and unexpected. A beautiful line I never knew I needed. Coffee getting colder, but I can't look away. You turned an ordinary afternoon into my favorite day. Coffee's gone untouched beside a little note. Ink marks dancing gently where your quiet thoughts were wrote. You bite your lip while reading something bittersweet, and somehow every second pulls me from my seat. I wonder what your voice sounds like saying hello, or if we laugh about the weather before let it go. The door swings open, cold air brushes through, and I almost lose the nerve to walk to you. Outside, the taxis paint the street in gold inside. I'm finding courage in this quiet cold. Like rain between pages, soft and unexpected. A beautiful line I never knew I needed. Coffee getting colder, but I can't look away. You turned an ordinary afternoon into my favorite day. Play this moment 1,000 different ways. So I stand up, heart racing like a train, and walk toward the one who changed the shape of rain. Like rain between pages, beautiful and weightless, the kind of little miracle you don't explain. Coffee getting colder, but now you look my way, and suddenly this rainy little cafe feels like fate today.